Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to practice the hazard perception test with realistic clips designed to boost your score and build your confidence for the driving theory test. We'll be covering 3 practice clips, and here's how it works. First, you'll watch each clip with no explanation. Your job is to carefully observe and spot the developing hazard. Then, we'll replay the same clip, and this time I'll guide you through it, showing you exactly where the hazard develops, why it's important, and the right moment to click in the real test. This approach will train your awareness and help you react earlier, giving you the best chance to score maximum points. Stay focused, think ahead like a safe driver, and challenge yourself to get the highest score possible. Let's begin. Clip number 1. Now let's solve clips 1 together. In this clip, you're driving on a dual carriageway with multiple lanes. There's a vehicle on the right-hand side that may move into your lane, so you need to stay alert. First, click here because the car on the right is showing its left indicator. This is an early warning sign that the driver may intend to move into your lane. Second, click here because the indicator continues to flash and the vehicle starts edging closer to your lane. This confirms the driver's intention and that the situation is developing. Third, click here because the car begins to move into your lane. At this point, the hazard is fully developing, and you should be preparing to slow down and create space. Clip number 2. Now let's solve clips 2 together. In this clip, the hazard is a motorcyclist overtaking traffic and riding into your lane. This is a fast-developing hazard, so the scoring window is short. So use the 3-click method with 1-second gaps to maximize your score. First click here. Second click here. Third click here. Clip number 3. Now let's solve clips 3 together. In this clip, the hazard is a motorcyclist overtaking a parked van and moving into your path. This is a fast-developing hazard, so the scoring window is very short. So, use the 3-click method with 1-second gaps to maximize your score. First click, second click, third click. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's session. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest mock tests and hazard perception practice videos. Keep practicing regularly, stay sharp, and you'll be ready to pass your theory test on your first attempt. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.